Crypto trading is a zero-sum game, where for every winner, there's a loser. In the past few bull cycles, some people hit it big and made a lot of money. And a lot of those people didn't necessarily have a lot of income or particularly valuable skills at the time. So what happens when these people hit it big and make an amount of money that would otherwise have taken them several years to accumulate? Well, a lot of them, if they weren't working before, they continued to not work. Or if they were working, they quit. And instead of taking the time to learn new skills and create sources of income to sustain themselves over a long period of time, they lived off their crypto gains until it was all gone and they were back at square one. So let's explore why and learn how we can protect ourselves from this all too common situation in the cryptocurrency industry and realize long-term success. There are 3 traits that ultra successful people have in common. 1, they think they are better than other people, which involves believing they deserve more than other people, they can accomplish bigger things, and therefore have huge vision. 2, they have massive insecurities about not being enough, and that they will always be measured against their achievements. And 3, they have incredible impulse control, where they are able to control their focus and actions on things for extended periods of time. So in summary, they've got big goals, they've got big fears, and they have the ability to focus long-term on the things that matter. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and let's keep these traits in mind while exploring 2 types of people drawn to the crypto markets so we can self-reflect and protect ourselves by being aware of pitfalls to avoid in order to increase our chances of success. Let's hit it. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, iTrust Capital, Lorenzo CPA, and Tangem Wallet. Buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies as well as silver and gold tax-free with your own IRA or individual retirement account, or roll over your current 401k with iTrust Capital. For crypto-related tax questions, book a free call with my CPA, Lorenzo. He saved me a ton of time and money over the years with tax-saving strategies, and also offers a tax course we can get for a discount below. And invest in your very own cold storage hardware wallet like Tangem Wallet. It's the size of a credit card, multi-currency, multi-chain, and it's by far the easiest crypto wallet to set up and use on the market right now. And it's extremely affordable. So scroll down and use links below to access the correct and official sites, as well as redeem any special offers they have for us. In the cryptocurrency space, some people are tech savvy, have been following the industry for years, have a deep understanding of the technology, as well as the massive risks associated with it. However, most people stumbled across crypto by chance, were intrigued by the huge profits some people made, and ultimately jumped in because of the hype and seemingly easy money. And over the last few bull cycles, a lot of money was made from people's speculation and getting lucky. This is one of the main reasons people get wrecked in crypto. They got to the crypto space with the intention of trying to get rich quick without taking the time to learn about the technology, learn about the risks, learn about managing money, learn about safely managing crypto, learning about wealth, learn about the financial markets, and understand that crypto had never weathered an actual macro bear market like we are experiencing this time around. The fact that some people were able to make quick and easy money from buying a random cryptocurrency at a low price and selling it to someone else at a higher price caused a lot of havoc in people's lives. Even if people got rich overnight, it ruined their lives in some cases, because at the end of the day, many people didn't develop any real skills or expertise required to become successful and maintain success long-term in life. Just as quickly as some people made money, most have lost it all. And the ones that lost, many of them were woefully unprepared for the extent of their losses. Most of us got into crypto trying to take a shortcut, when in reality, true wealth and success requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. That's why, like we've discussed on the channel, the answer to the question I get asked the most, which coin should I buy, will never make you truly successful. The question we need to be asking ourselves is, how can we make sustainable income over time, increase that income over time, and create multiple ways that generate cash flow for ourselves and our families throughout our lives. Buying a cryptocurrency low and selling it high is not sustainable. It won't increase over time, and it is not even one way, much less multiple ways, to generate cash flow. And thinking back to those 3 traits ultra successful people have in common, would someone who believes they deserve more than other people, who wants to accomplish big goals, who is absolutely terrified of failure, and who has the ability to focus on things that matter long term, would they ever jump into the crypto markets to try and get rich overnight? No, they wouldn't. Who would do that? Someone who is looking to make money quickly, and even if they got lucky, would more than likely lose it just as quickly. People who make a lot of money quickly from getting lucky usually don't have a solid understanding of the risks they took. Because if they had taken the time or opportunity to thoroughly research and understand the technology, they likely would not have put any money they could not afford to lose at this much risk. Now, let's say that they did take the time to understand the risks and still decided to get into the crypto markets. The reality is, most people have not taken the time to develop the skills and knowledge necessary to manage money and wealth long term. People that made fortunes overnight in crypto usually haven't learned about financial management, investing, taxes, assets, liabilities, or anything required to protect financial wealth. And one of the worst traits most people who jump into the crypto space as a tourist have is horrible impulse control and control over their emotions in general. The same emotional decisions they make to impulsively buy some random cryptocurrency is the same type of emotional decision making and impulsivity that will lead to poor financial judgment with any substantial gains they may realize. So how can we protect ourselves from crypto ruining our lives? Well, many of us need to be honest with ourselves and acknowledge that one of the main reasons we were initially drawn to the space was possibly because we wanted to try and get rich overnight in the crypto markets. And if that's the case, that's totally fine. Let's accept that reality and that truth. Next, we need to reframe that reality and truth so we can allow the potential opportunities of our lifetimes to enrich us rather than ruin us. Instead of just letting the fact that we wanted to get rich quickly be the reason we're still here, let's shift that mindset to being grateful we stumbled across this interesting new speculative technology, because now we are inspired to learn more about it, learn about the risks, learn about finance, and learn about economics, which will lead us down so many other rabbit holes that will ultimately teach us the importance of learning new skills to increase our income and the importance of learning how to manage wealth long term. So now is a great time to start learning how to use reputable cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, the sponsor of this video. It's the largest publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange for beginners and now has an advanced trading platform with highly competitive fees and deep liquidity for sophisticated traders all around the world to use, called Coinbase Advanced. Coinbase Advanced is easier than ever to access right on the Coinbase website and Coinbase mobile app. It's a great platform for advanced traders who perform their own technical analysis and want to access powerful tools to execute their trading strategies, from scalping to API trading, place limit and stop limit orders, or utilize indicators, or perform technical analysis on advanced price charts powered by TradingView. Check it out. Simply log into your Coinbase account, click on the profile button in the top right-hand corner, click Advanced, and click this drop-down button to choose from their huge selection of over 552 cryptocurrency spot pairs, like Chili's. And here we have an advanced price chart, depth chart, order book, trade history, and the ability to place limit, market, and stop limits, all in one clean dashboard. To place a limit order, click Buy, Limit, enter the price you want the order to execute, choose the amount, and click Buy Chili's. Simple as that. Just by taking a moment to learn how fast and easy it is for advanced traders to start using Coinbase Advanced for trading, whether it's performing technical analysis, and more. So sign up and log in using the links below to check it out. And to learn more, go to advanced.coinbase.com. Yes, the fact that people got rich overnight in the crypto markets did create some chaos in some people's lives. Emotional decision-making and impulsivity is also why many people fall prey to scams and lose funds from user error. The reality is, making money and keeping money takes time, skill, determination, discipline, focus, and it's never as easy as just giving it to someone else, or trying to put it into some random investment fund with guaranteed profits, or even leaving it on exchanges because we don't want to invest time and energy learning about how to safely secure cryptocurrencies on hardware wallets. At the end of the day, if we don't want to put in the work, crypto, among other things, will just ruin our lives because it will just distract us. So if we started our crypto journey for short-term gains, we can change it to the thing that inspired us to learn about money, how it works, the financial system, generating cash flow, and building generational wealth. That's how we go from crypto wrecking lives to crypto potentially saving lives. Over the years since I started the channel, one of my favorite things about cryptocurrency is how it got so many people's attention that otherwise may not have found themselves learning about money, finance, and other important topics. Crypto got so many people into the finance space, and all the new awareness of how the global financial system has worked in the past will help us all build a better global financial system for the future. One that is more fair, inclusive, efficient, transparent, and trustworthy. Sure, there has been a ton of carnage in the space over the past few years, and almost every other asset class has had hard times as well. But if you're still here, you are strong, you have persevered, you're resilient, and you're focused. Let's keep cultivating the skills and knowledge required to experience success in crypto and in our lives at large. And if you haven't yet, make this the year that you finally take complete control and ownership of your cryptocurrency by investing in a cold storage hardware wallet like Tangem. And I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to become your own bank and set up a secure cold storage hardware wallet in less than 60 seconds using Tangem Wallet. Opening the box, here we have the 3 cards with a new sleek black matte design. Next, installing the correct and official Tangem mobile app on our phones, and opening the app, tap Scan Card, and touch one of the cards to your phone like so. Next, click Create Wallet, and tap the card to your phone again. Nice! Now that we have a wallet, let's create backups of it. Tap Backup Now, and then tap Add a Backup Card, and tap the second card to your phone. Cool! Now tap Add a Backup Card again, and tap the third card to your phone. Then tap Finalize the backup process, and now we need to create an access code to secure the wallet. Tap Continue, enter an access code, and re-enter it to verify the access code. Then scan the primary card, ending in the corresponding numbers on the screen that matches the card, holding it to your phone until the operation is complete. Then repeat this process for the 2 backup cards. And that's it! It's configured and ready to use. And if you would like to watch a full video of how Tangem works, check out this video guide by clicking on the link above, and scroll down and use links below for a nice discount and to access their correct and official site. Awesome! So if you'd like to finally have that eureka moment about how cryptocurrency wallets, seed phrases, and private keys work, check out this video. If you'd like to understand how Bitcoin works and why its revolutionary technology can help us maintain power over some of our wealth, check out this video. And to get your very own Tangem wallet, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.